What lessons have you learnt from being a chef? She's a chef, you know.
There are actually numerous life lessons that I have learned as a chef. I'm going to pinpoint it to 2 points. The first one, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are bound to happen, especially when you are, it's your first time starting it. And besides, mistakes are the best teacher of life. Yes. And the second, last but not least, I'm pretty sure everyone here agrees that the secret ingredient of everything is love. It's love. And when you pour some love into it and you watch it transform into something beautiful, something magical, and if I could say, it's something delicious.